everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Ubuntu install USB. So to start off, we're going to need to plug in a USB flash drive into the computer. So I'm going to do that now. Now once that's done, we're going to go to the Ubuntu website and we're going to find just ubuntu.com and just find the download button. Now there are several different options for downloads. We're going with Ubuntu Desktop and we're going to go with 2004 LTS, but if you want the newest version you can click this one instead. Doesn't really matter, I just like to go with LTS because it's a little bit more rock solid. We'll click on this button here. This will take us to the download page and you can see they have a donation set up, but the download should automatically start and we just gotta wait for it to download. Alright, so once the download is complete, we need to go to etcher.io. Now this website will allow you to download and set up an Ubuntu install disk. Now we can use this for Linux, but it's also available for Windows and Mac OS, so the instructions for this are relatively the same. You select the image, you select the drive, and you flash it. So we're going to download for Ubuntu. For our use on our Ubuntu drive. Just click Show in Folder and extract here. Now we see the app image file. We can check the properties and the permissions are allowed. So I can just double click on this right here. And this is going to start up Etcher. Now from here we need to click Flash from File. Now we just downloaded Ubuntu, so we can select the Ubuntu ISO here. We select Target, so I plugged in a USB flash drive. All I got to do is click the select button and then I click flash. That's going to ask me to enter my password. I'm going to enter my password. Now this is going to copy all of the files in the contents of this Ubuntu ISO file to the flash drive. And again, the instructions you just saw me do work on all platforms because Etcher works the exact same way on Windows, Mac, and Linux. I just happen to be doing this on Linux, but if you have a Windows PC that you're trying to set up an Ubuntu install disk, the instructions are exactly the same. So when it says flash complete, you have successfully finished setting up your Ubuntu install disk. And if we look on the side here in the file manager, we now see Ubuntu 2004 LTS is ready to go, and I can take this and I can plug this into any computer and I can install Ubuntu. So this is how to make an Ubuntu install USB. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.